Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel. It's me Richie and I'm back with another PayPal related video. And in this PayPal related video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create a business account using PayPal. Now there's two methods through which you guys can create a business account. The first one is if you guys have a personal account, you guys can upgrade it into a business account. But if you guys do not have any PayPal account, then you guys can directly create a business account. So I'm going to show you guys, if you guys already have a personal account, how you guys can upgrade it. And later on, I will show you guys how you guys can create it from scratch. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video. So let's say you already have a PayPal account. What you want to do is you want to click on this gear icon at the top. And I'm using PayPal on my browser. This is not the phone version of it, so keep that in mind. Once you're over here, you want to go on accounts, and on account you want to scroll down and click on where it says upgrade to business account. Once you click on upgrade to business account, it's going to ask you, do you want to use your current email as your business account's email, or you want to use a new one? You can choose whichever you want, and you want to click on next after choosing that. And after choosing next, basically it's going to ask you to fill up some forms before creating a business account, like enter your email address over here. After entering your email address, it's going to ask you for your zip code, street code, and all the other stuff. And after filling up the form correctly, you should be able to create a business account. Now let me show you guys how you guys can create a business account from scratch. So to create a business account from scratch, you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for PayPal sign up, just like this. And you want to click on create a PayPal account, sign up for free, the first one. And it's going to show you these two options if you want to create a business account or a personal account. Since we want to create a business account, we're going to click on sign up for a business account. Now, I just want to give you guys some reminder that business account and personal account are two different things. Business account are for those people who want to use that PayPal account for their organization or for their business, and personal account are for those people who want to use that account for their personal use, for individual use, like buying and selling stuff and paying for some tickets and other stuff like that. All right. Now let me show you guys over here. Now over here you want to enter an email for your business account and you want to click on submit. After doing that, it's going to ask you for some other information, and after filling up all those information correctly, you should be able to create a business account. So those are the two ways on how you guys can create a business account, and I showed you all of them. And the fees on business account and personal account are different as well. They are not same. Business account and personal account are different. If you guys want to know more about it, we have already posted a video on business account and personal accounts difference. You can go and check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and do subscribe and like to our channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in a bit. Bye bye.